Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and unique releases coming in 2026, the Toyota Motorhome. This vehicle is designed not just for driving, but for living, traveling, and experiencing the road in a way that blends comfort, innovation, and performance. Toyota has built a strong reputation in the motorhome and campervan segment over the years. And with the 2026 model, the company has taken things to the next level with cutting-edge design, premium materials, and technology that makes long journeys and adventures not only possible but truly enjoyable. Starting with the exterior, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 stands out immediately for its futuristic yet practical styling. The body design is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth curves and sharp edges that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, which is especially important for a vehicle of this size. The large panoramic windshield provides excellent visibility, while LED headlights and taillights add a modern touch and ensure maximum brightness during night driving. The exterior is designed with functionality in mind, featuring slide-out sections that expand the living space when parked, a powered awning for outdoor relaxation, and multiple storage compartments integrated neatly into the sides. Toyota has also included solar panels on the roof for sustainable energy on the go, allowing travelers to enjoy off-grid experiences without worrying about running out of power. The overall presence of the 2026 motorhome is both imposing and stylish, making it stand out whether it's cruising down highways or parked at a scenic campsite. Moving to the interior, Toyota has gone above and beyond to make this motorhome feel like a true home on wheels. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with an open and spacious layout that maximizes every inch of the cabin. Premium materials like soft touch leather, wood accents, and ambient LED lighting give the space a luxurious feel. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display, and advanced driver assist features to make even long drives comfortable and stress-free. Behind the cockpit, the living area includes a lounge with plush seating that converts into additional sleeping space, a full kitchen with modern appliances like a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a compact oven, and a dining table that can seat 4 comfortably. The bedroom is designed for comfort with a queen-size bed, overhead storage, and windows that let in natural light while still providing privacy. The bathroom is compact but efficient, including a shower, toilet, and sink with smart water-saving features. Toyota has carefully designed the interior to provide a balance between comfort, practicality, and a sense of modern luxury, making it perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers who love the open road. When it comes to performance, the key AO's Toyota Motorhome 2026 surprises many with its capability. Powered by a hybrid engine system, it combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver impressive mileage for its class. This hybrid setup not only reduces fuel consumption, but also makes it more environmentally friendly, which is becoming increasingly important for travelers today. The motorhome is built on a reinforced chassis that provides stability, and Toyota has equipped it with adaptive suspension to ensure a smooth ride even on uneven terrains. With advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system, the Motorhome 2026 is as safe as it is comfortable. Despite its size, the steering feels surprisingly light, and the hybrid powertrain delivers enough torque to handle uphill climbs and highway cruising with ease. For those who want to venture off the beaten path, Toyota also offers an all-wheel drive variant, making it versatile enough for more adventurous trips. Pricing is always an important factor when it comes to motorhomes, and Toyota has positioned the 2026 motorhome competitively in the market. The starting price is expected to be around $85,000 for the base model, which already includes a wide range of features, while higher trims with additional luxury upgrades, larger living space extensions, and enhanced off-grid capabilities can push the price closer to $120,000. Considering the technology, comfort and reliability Toyota is offering, the price feels justified and appealing to those looking for a long-term travel companion. Toyota has also hinted at flexible financing and leasing options to make ownership more accessible, especially for families who dream of traveling without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Overall, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is a remarkable combination of innovation, comfort, and practicality. It is not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle choice for those who crave freedom on the open road while still enjoying the conveniences of modern living. With its stylish exterior, luxurious and well-planned interior, efficient performance, and competitive pricing, Toyota has created a motorhome that is ready to dominate the market in 2026. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure, a weekend camping trip, or even using it as a mobile office or living space, this motorhome delivers on all fronts. It's clear that Toyota has listened to the needs of travelers and combined its engineering expertise with thoughtful design to make this one of the most anticipated motorhomes of the year.